Hello traders, today we will talk about why does PXP and Petron or PCOR open gap up this early morning, and what is the connection of the news that was disclosed last Friday about the US and Iran crisis. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notification as I create new content twice per week, so you'll be updated with the latest market happening. So, on my FB page, I already posted, kung nabasa ninyo, about the US-Iran crisis wherein the Iran's top security and intelligence commander was killed last January 3, 2020, early morning in a drone strike na inauthorized ni President Trump. So, this also will create uncertainty sentiments that will lead the investor to transfer their investment to gold, because gold is a safe haven as a form of investment. So if you want to check this, punta lang kayo sa investing.com. As you will see, also the crude oil open gap up because it happened on the Middle East. So click nyo lang gold futures. So same, it opened gap up, and if you will look on the bigger picture, you will see that the gold already broke out its 52-week high resistance on the year 2019. So ayan. So why does PCOR open gap up and closing in red before lunchtime? So if you will observe na pinost ko din last year about the Saudi drone attack na nangyari nung Sabado, yan, September 14, I remember that. If you will observe PCOR on that day also, September 14, yan, Saturday yun. So pagdating ng Monday, it also opened gap up. It went as high as 5.36 but closed, it went as high as 5.65 and closed at 5.36. So if you want to trade these highly speculative stocks, you should always buy on the morning, then sell mo kagad. So this is what likely happened this day also. It opened gap up, went as high as 4.63, but currently it is trading at 4.29 level. So that's it for now. I hope you learned from this video, and if you see this video valuable to you, please leave a like and comment down below on what stock that you want to learn from me, so I can create a video for it. So God bless us all. Bye bye.